Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpack Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Google Nest Hub second generation in the chalk color. This is the second generation of their 7-inch smart display, and it includes new features such as sleep tracking and also some minor adjustments in some other areas. So it should be a more improved version. So let's get straight into it. So to start off, we'll just have a quick look around the box here with the Nest Hub. So we've got a picture of it on the front here, and it says 7-inch display second generation with Hey Google on the front. If we go to the right-hand side, it's got some ideas about what you can tell it to do, like asking Google certain things and other things like that. On the back, it says help in any room, and it has a picture of a way you could decide to use it in your house. On the left-hand side, you can see there's more information about some voice commands you can say, and you've also got some icons of some of the supported apps that it has. On the top, it's just got the Google logo there, and on the bottom, it's just got some more fine print information. So now let's get straight into the unboxing. So I've got my unboxing knife here, and I'll just open up. It's got like a plastic wrapping on it, so I'll just get the knife in there and open the plastic, and here we can just pull the wrapping off and just bring it off here like so, and then a bit like an Apple box, we just lift it up and it should come off here. There we go. And there's the smart display itself. So we'll take a look at this more closely in a moment. So I'll just put that to the side for now. But if we have a look here, we've got a little pull tab to pull this cardboard up. And then we've got some more stuff inside the box. So we've got a little let's get started guide here with sort of how to use it and some more documentation there. We won't get into that too much. And then we've also got a power cable here for the Nest Hub itself. And you can see that there is the power cable, and it's got a little circle connector for the back of the Nest Hub. So you'll use that to give it some power. And that's all that there is in the box. So we'll put that to the side, and we'll have a closer look at the Nest Hub itself. All right, so here is the Nest Hub. And what I'll start by doing, you can see there's like a plastic film over this, so we'll just take that off. So it looks like there's an arrow to pull down here, and then that should, here we go, it takes off the wrapping, and then we can have a closer look at it. So you can see here's the 7-inch display here. It's got some white bezels on the outside, and as I mentioned before, this is the chalk color. So we've got sort of this whitish, light grey sort of speaker grill here, and we've also got a white back. So just taking a quick look around, this is the microphone on and off switch here. We've got volume buttons here to turn it up and down, obviously our speaker here and the power input. And then on the front, we've also got 2 microphone holes and then also an ambient light sensor. And as I mentioned before, this includes sleep tracking. And in Australia, it usually retails for around $150. But at the moment, it's around half price, and you can buy it for around $75. So it's quite a good price if you would like to get that. So yeah, I'll definitely be testing this. This is just the bottom of it here. It's just a white base, but if you get the black one, presumably it would be a black base. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful in giving you an idea of what the unboxing experience is like for the Google Nest Hub second generation in the chalk color. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a more long-term review of this in maybe a couple of weeks, because I'm more than happy to make that. and I will be testing this to see how it goes over the next few weeks and months. Thanks for watching this video on Unpack Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.